Hi guys, it's me again, Jack Patubo, and I welcome you to another quick episode on my channel to showcase something that's really close to my heart, other than crafting. Haha, the joke. So it's been around 8 months since nag-start yung quarantine here in the Philippines, and it's 1 month before Christmas, and it's my birthday month, I think. Yeah, birthday month ko pa. So, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo what made me break my no spend rule. Yeah, so actually, I've since the pandemic happened and since the quarantine happened, I have ventured into a new rabbit hole or hobby, and that is collecting dolls. So I think I have around 8 dolls or 9 dolls na. Yan. So, around August, I've told myself na no spend na ako. And instead, the crafter that I am should start repurposing my funds and refocusing on making doll clothes. So that's what I have been making on my free time. If I am not teaching my kid in her schoolwork, I have been making and quote-unquote selling some doll clothes. So, I've stopped collecting new dolls, and even if I wanted to sell a few ones, my little girl wouldn't let me kasi she'd really hate me daw kapag binenta ko yung mga dolls ko. So, whenever I see something new, I ask her permission, can I sell this doll so that I can buy this doll? And to date, she has not agreed talaga. So, naka-no spend na talaga ako. But, one of my favorite doll customizers, yung one of the artists na I've known or I've seen from the group who customizes these factory dolls, actually released a custom doll. I've really wanted to get one of his works. Kasi actually, before I went on no spend, I asked him if he could actually customize the doll for me. But at that time, he declined kasi hindi pa daw siya talaga tumatanggap ng commissioned works. But I've decided since then pa lang na even if I were on no spend, should he release a doll for sale, I should get one. And I did! And ito siya, papakita ko siya sa inyo. Tada! Ganda, diba? So, this doll, actually, some call it factory blight, or some people call it fake.
Her name Lucy.
Yeah, or some people call it big-eyed, nakakatakot dolls. But I actually just call this blight-like dolls to avoid copyright, since these are not really original ones. But I really appreciate the artists who take time, heart, and effort to customize and make these dolls prettier. Like her, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. And this doll, I actually named her Lucy because her hair is pink and it reminded me of Elfen Lied, and the main character of that anime is Lucy. So I called her Lucy, and her name is actually means light. So she's a customized doll. So makikita niya naman. Her makeup was altered. Her eyebrows are really pretty. Parang akin lang, diba? Joke lang. And then, see, she has those details sa face, like the freckles. If you can see the freckles, she has freckles and a bit of a mole. Her lips have added luster, parang totoo. And my teeth siya. She's very, very pretty. I really love this.
Teeth?
Yeah, see? So I really love this doll, and she has in fact sleepy eyes. So let me just show you her eyes. So if I pull this down, yan, she's gonna close her eyes. See? Long eyelashes.
Wait.
And pink eyelids with a bunny.
And a cat.
And a cat. Yeah, bunnies and cats actually. So ganyan siya, sleepy eyes, and then her eyes, the eye chips are also custom and they change colors. So let's see now. So, this one changes into this one. Ganda, no? And then, this one. And then, oops. This one. Ayan. So, all are custom eye chips. I think Jethro also made them. Thank you, Jethro, for my Lucy. I really like it. Ayan, so siya, custom doll, and actually even the clothes that she's wearing, actually this top, and the shorts, I'll show you her shorts later, were also done by Jethro, and I really like yung detail and yung linis nung kanyang mga tahe. See, halos wala ka makitang mga frays or tastas. I really like the quality of his work from the face of the doll to the clothes that the doll was wearing. So it was really, really worth it. And even yung mechanism to pull the eyelids closed and open, customized din with pearls and yan. So super happy ako kasi when I started into this hobby, I've been looking at the custom dolls at Etsy and they were really, really, really expensive for me. I couldn't even buy the original Blythe doll, let alone buy those custom dolls, diba? So when Jethro started offering his works for a much affordable price, I really, really broke my nose pin rule and got myself one. So, today, this has been my favorite doll. And I think even if I do sell my dolls in the future, kung papayagan ako ng anak ko, this one probably, Lucy would probably stay. She'd probably stay kasi she's a custom or special one. Okay? And then, on update, so November is my birthday month and magki-Christmas na rin naman. When I released a bunch of clothes kasi for sale on my Facebook page recently, I got 2 clients asking me for boy doll clothes, which I didn't have kasi wala rin naman akong boy doll. So I started looking at Shopee for boy dolls, but they weren't suitable for my liking or for my preferences. And I've decided to break my nose pen rule again. So if I would buy something, I'd rather buy something worth it, diba? And then just so happens that one of my clients again, one of those 2 clients asking me about boy doll clothes showed me her doll. And the doll was made by none other than Jethro again. So the same person who made my Lucy doll actually made her doll. So I decided na pester him again to make a boy doll naman for me. And he did. So super thank you talaga. I really, really, really appreciate the effort, the time, and the dedication that he put into this doll. I think customizing the boy dolls are a lot harder than the girls, especially because of the hair. And so I just showcase to you what he made me.
His name is Lucas.
Ang cute, diba? So,
And he doesn't have boobs.
yeah, he doesn't have boobs because he's a...
And he got big ears.
Yeah, big ears. Kasi, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. I really, really, really love this doll. So, talaga sobrang bagay sila ni Lucy. His name is Lucas.
I like him. He's a dog lover.
His name is Lucas and I think it also means, ano ba? Basta, we named him Lucas because para turno ni Lucy.
It's a dog
But we still haven't decided if they will be twins.
bone.
Yeah, if they will be twins or lovers.
Or
See? They look
Or
together,
mother and
right? They look
father.
together, right? So we still haven't decided
Yeah.
if they be life partners, husband, wife, brother, sister, or
Ay,
boyfriend. No,
surgery.
don't poke. Yan. So, sige, dun ka muna. So, to just showcase to you what he did, so he customized the hair. I really, really like the hair. It's blonde. See? And so, he gave him a proper haircut, which I really, really like. And the eyebrows, oh, iba ang pogi. He looks like a K-pop star. The eyebrows are nice. And then, of course, the eyes. The eye chips are also custom made. This one's a special. It's a shimmering. Hindi siguro masyadong kita sa cam, but his eyes are actually shimmering. I think this one is hand-painted. And then, so the mechanism, the string, is also customized and as shown by Maidana earlier. The ends, yan. So, moon and star kay Luzbeth sa kanya ay paw and bone, dog bone. Yan. So, ayan. So, itong shorts na gamit niya right now, actually, shorts siya ni Lucy. So, wala pa kasi siyang doll clothes, except that Jethro gave me a really, really nice vest. And a teddy bear. So, thank you again for the freebie. So, I decided to lend him na lang muna clothes from my other dolls. And, yun, so I actually got him naman because I've decided that I'll try making doll clothes for boys this time. And let's see how that will go. So, wish me luck. But for now, enjoy. Yan. Magda-date lang din sila. Bye,
Teddy
guys! Yeah, they have bears. Yan. So, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye!